In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in VNETFiber account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link portal.vnetfiber.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official login interface of VNETFiber. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your credentials. So click on the field of username. Now enter your username over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on this option, recover username or reset password. After you do that, you'll be able to recover them. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be logged into your account. So like this, you'll be able to log into VNETFiber. So that is how you log in VNETFiber account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.